Hello everyone, my name is Bojesh.
I'm S.Harsha. I'm L.Sampath Sandesh. We are studying in 10th class, Sri Sadhu Vijayanalayam, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh.
Today we done a project for ATL Marathon smoke detector.
The materials required are Arduino, MQ2, and a buzzer, and some jumper wires, and one battery. This project uses in public places or in trains. Now I will show the output. When we flame, when we flame this lights near the MQ3 sensor, then buzzer will sound that. Uses of this project. While we are in trains or public places, then we can use these MQ3 sensors. While we are in traveling and any fire accidents occurred in trains, then we can identify the train accidents very less.
So this is our project. Thank you.